All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your CYU Nature versus Nurture. So, using the lesson, heredity, and the environment, fill in the blanks with the correct vocabulary words at the top here. Then answer either nature or nurture for the scenarios in the boxes. So, the vocabulary up top here again, blank are the basic building blocks of DNA, and then blank is the genetic transmission of parents to their offspring. So then again, these examples, you're going to tell me if these are examples of nature or nurture. So, first one here. In studies of many twins, identical twins were more likely to choose the same career than were fraternal twins. Is that nature or nurture? Identical twins separated at birth were raised in very different environments, yet they both like to bowl, sing in a choir, and wear the same designer clothes. Is that nature or nurture? And then a boy's parents were not very athletic, but they enjoyed watching sports, so they got him on a baseball team with a skilled coach. Later, the boy became a professional baseball player. Is that nature or nurture? And then extra credit here. Think of a skill you have. Do you think you were born with this, or did you learn it from your environment? Why?